Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on REDnote app. You will click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about REDnote and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of REDnote. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.